guys, welcome back to another new video. So today we have another package here. So I paid $10 for this package including shipping, and I have two phones here. So from these two phones, one of them is BlackBerry and one of them is Nokia. So I don't really recommend this phone to buy actually. So it's not that much worthy. I just bought to check these phones actually. So these phones actually cosmetically not that good, but they are totally functional as far as I know. But let's see how much they are functional and cosmetically damaged. So we have the package and let's open up. So as you can see, one of them is here, so nicely packed, and one of them is here, so nothing else here. So these are the two phones. So first let's open the Nokia first. So this is the Nokia phone. So this is Nokia 503. So main reason to buy this phone actually to try Migo OS. So many of you know or used Nokia N9, I think. So I'm still looking for Nokia N9. Actually I couldn't find that one. So that phone is running on Migo OS, and that was only phone which running on Migo OS. And to try Migo OS, actually I bought this phone. It has so this phone is running not on Migo OS, but it got some features from Migo OS. So as you know, Migo OS don't have any actually physical buttons or anything else to control the phone. It was completely touch screen based. So we have Nokia 503. Let's try to boot it up. I don't think it has charge left. As you can see here, the phone is cosmetically not that good, but I saw it was totally functional phone. So buttons are falling off, that doesn't matter. And rather than that, phone is looking good actually, not that bad. So let's try to turn it on. And I don't think it has charge left. So let's plug it in with the charger and try to open this one. So this is BlackBerry 9970, I think. So it's running on BlackBerry OS 7, I think. So let's check this phone too. So as you can see, this phone also cosmetically not that good. Here are some nail polish, I think, but it's okay. Let's try to turn it on. Maybe it has power. So this one also don't have power left, but I do have a spare battery for this phone because I have BlackBerry 9900 which has similar battery to this phone. Where is the hole to open this phone? I don't know. I'm not getting anything to open the back panel. Oh, I think slide. So as you can see here, it got JM1 battery which is similar to BlackBerry 9900. So keep it aside, take out my phone, and as you can see here, also I have a spare battery of this phone, new battery. So that's why I bought this mobile. Let's try to open. I think this battery is dead, but this battery looks good. Fully no charge left on this battery, but I don't know what happened with the Nokia. It seems to be not turning on and not charging. I'm not getting anything here. Ah yes, it's now arrived. So the BlackBerry is booting up. As you can see here, the Nokia somehow, try to open it. It should turn on actually. I don't think it has any juice left in the battery. So let's put this back. These phones are totally functional, so I don't need to fix anything, I think. But let's check these are functioning or not. I really like this phone. It's quite compact, and let's see. So still I'm not getting anything. I just got a logo of charging logo. But not more than that, anything. The buttons are functional. So this phone is booted up, as you can see here, confirm date and time. And okay, let's see. So I need to clean this phone and try to use this phone. So I will try to use this phone for a few days, and this phone is actually totally functional phone. So I don't have I just need to put my SIM card and check these phones. So it's still not booting up. I think maybe the battery has some problem. Oh, it's now vibrated but didn't turn on. I think this phone vibrated, not this one. So let's try to turn on this phone. I don't have any spare battery for this phone actually, but as you can see the colors are falling off from the back of it, white color. I think I will remove all these colors and I'll make it like translucent. So I have Lumia, this is Lumia 820, which has same kind of battery, but it's different little. It's bigger than that battery. So you can see here it has a big battery. I think it will connect here. Let's try to turn on. This battery has a charger left, so it should turn on right now. Yep, it vibrated just now. Hopefully it will turn on. Yes, as you can see, Nokia logo, and the BlackBerry is turned on. So in this phone the touch is not functional, as you can see here. I think maybe issue with some digitizer issue, some kind of. So touch is not functional, but the buttons are totally functional. So let's check the buttons. So this phone has touch screen actually. So I don't know why the touch is not working. According to seller, everything is working just fine, but I don't know. Buttons seems to be working just fine, like camera and other things. So it has a 5 megapixel autofocus camera. So the photo will not be that good. So here are our Nokia 503. So the display is not that cool, but as you can see, it's got similar OS like Migo OS, which is inspired from Migo. So it has a lot of apps, games and other things, and it has also Wi-Fi actually. So as you can see here, then the brightness is working fine and the back button is also working fine. Everything is fine. I think the battery is dead, totally dead. So I need to charge this up, and it's working fine. Let's try the camera. It's also got 5 megapixel camera. I think it's not autofocus. So it's not autofocus, fixed focus camera, 5 megapixel. It's working just fine. And it's like Migo OS, as you can see. If I slide from this side or that side, it just closed the app. So this actually introduced in Migo OS, and there is not much phone running on Migo except Nokia N9, and I'm still looking for that phone. If I get one, I will really like to buy one. So this phone actually seems to be repaired. but it's functional phone. I don't like worry about this phone. I just paid $10, so it's not that much, but everything seems to be working. So like button and other things, it seems to be working fine. So I don't really recommend you to buy this kind of phone right now. It's not that good to buy this kind of phone. I'd rather buy something which work better than this phone. So you will get phones around $10 better than this. So like running on Android and other things. But this phone are classic phones, so most of the time the collectors buy this kind of phone. But anyway, this phone's actually working fine for me. As you can see here, all the phones are working. So that's it for today. In my next video, I'll try to clean this phone up, and I will try to use these phones for a few days and try to give you a review about this phone still work. You can use this phone or not. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.